Hi, I'm Sarah from CompleteAItraining.com, and in this video, I'll guide you through the steps to becoming an AI-focused manufacturing engineer. From understanding the basics of AI to mastering advanced manufacturing techniques, we'll cover everything you need to know to excel in this cutting-edge field. Let's get started. By becoming an AI-specialized manufacturing engineer, you can future-proof your skills in an ever-evolving industry. With AI expertise, you'll unlock more job opportunities as companies increasingly seek professionals who can integrate AI into their processes. Additionally, AI skills often lead to higher salaries as they make you more efficient and productive. Imagine having AI as your assistant, streamlining tasks and boosting your performance. Embrace this path, and you'll be at the forefront of innovation, driving the future of manufacturing. At CompleteAItraining.com, we offer comprehensive courses and a certification program designed to help you become an AI-specialized manufacturing engineer. With the rapid pace of AI developments, staying updated is crucial. That's why we ensure you're always informed about the latest advancements in AI relevant to manufacturing. Our curriculum is continuously updated to reflect the newest trends and technologies so you can maintain a competitive edge in the industry. Our AI video training programs are tailored specifically for manufacturing engineers. Dive into the latest prompt courses and explore custom GPTs designed for specialized tasks in manufacturing. We've curated essential AI tools to enhance your skills. Join our course and certification program to excel as an AI-specialized manufacturing engineer. If you're interested in this course, please check out CompleteAItraining.com and search for manufacturing engineers. You can sign up for as low as $99 a year to get access to all video trainings, prompts, custom GPTs, AI tools, and one free certification per year. Don't wait to become an AI expert manufacturing engineer. You can start a 3-day trial today.